To create a Wix discount code, start by logging into your Wix account and navigating to the Marketing section. From there, click on the Promotions tab and select the Create a Promotion option. Choose the type of discount you want to offer, such as a percentage or fixed amount off, and set the details of the promotion including the discount amount and the duration of the offer. Next, determine which products or services the discount will apply to, and set any necessary usage limits or restrictions. You can also customize the appearance of the discount code by adding a name and description. Once you have entered all the necessary details, click the Create Promotion button to generate the discount code. The code will be displayed on the Promotions page, and you can copy and paste it into marketing materials such as emails or social media posts. To track the effectiveness of the promotion, use the Wix Analytics tool to monitor the number of times the code is used in the resulting sales. When creating a Wix discount code, consider your target audience and the goals of the promotion. For example, you may want to offer a limited time discount to first-time customers or a loyalty discount to repeat customers. You can also use Wix discount codes to upsell or cross-sell products by offering a discount on a complimentary item. To get the most out of your Wix discount code, make sure to promote it through multiple channels, including email marketing, social media, and your website. You can also use Wix built-in features such as automated email campaigns and social media integration to streamline the promotion process. By following these steps and best practices, you can create effective Wix discount codes that drive sales and revenue for your business. Remember to regularly review and update your promotions to ensure they are aligned with your marketing goals and target audience.